Hello, welcome to Faithful Media Tech. Today we are going to look at AND function. What is AND function? AND function check whether all the arguments in the range of cells that is specified are true, and if those values are true, it will return a true answer. Then all the arguments will be true. That is how if function works. It only look for the values that are true in the range of cells and then return true. Else, something else. So let's look at how it works here. I have criteria here. For example, this student result. I have expected result. When somebody gets less than 40, it should be fail. Somebody gets less than 60, it should be excellent. Somebody gets less than 100, it should be distinction. Somebody gets greater than 100, it should be invalid. Of course, nobody gets greater than 100 in exam. So anything more than 100 should be invalid. And then you have their scores here. I've done example here. If you look at the data here, the formula bar, you see how it makes a mix of nested if, because you can't use AND function alone to perform this. So you combine it with another functions to get what you want. Because if you make use of AND function, you are not going to get accurate results. So in a large file or in anything you are doing, AND function work with if function. Not only if function, not function also work with if function. Or function also work with if function. And together they call it nested if. Alright, let's go. Now if you look at this formula bar, if you look at this formula bar, I have if at the beginning. If cell D10 is greater than or equal to 0, and meaning that I'm looking at two things, you used to compare two things now, and cell D10 is less than 40, give me fail. Showing that it's nested if. I have another one now. If D10 is greater than or equal to 40 and D10 is less than 60, give me what? Pass. Right? Good. And then I have another one. If D10 is greater than or equal to 60 and D10 is less than or equal to 100, give me what? Distinction. Alright, I have a last one now. S. Now, I have the last word there. S. Invalid. So, it will evaluate everything that's specified there, and anything more than 100, it will tell you invalid. Now, let's just look at how this works here now. Let me clean this up. Okay, let me put that one there. Okay, let me put 40, sorry. Okay. So I come to this. But let me just explain what I just did in that formula bar. So here, I put and equal to and brackets. So if, okay, just normal end. Now, to tell you that it will return true. I told you before that AND function checks all the arguments in the range of cells and specified and return true if all the arguments are what? True. So AND D 60, 40, H16 is greater than or equal to 0, comma, and also this same cell is what? Less than what? 100, and I put that. It's telling me true. Why? This cell is greater than 0 and less than 100, so it's true. If I still put 0, I get true. If I put 1, it's true. If I put 100, it will give me false because it is not up to. I didn't specify that. I only said less than. So anything 100 and above 100 is not valid. Alright, let's look at how it works here using nested if. So I put equal to if bracket and bracket. This cell is greater than, now I'm looking at, is greater than or equal to 40, comma, and this cell is less than what? 60. Is less than what? 40. Give me, comma, okay, close it, comma, at the end of the bracket, remember to put comma there, then put your quote. I need fail. Alright, then you put comma again. If bracket and bracket, this cell is greater than or equal to 40, comma, this cell is less than what? 60. Just give me, comma, the next thing now is excellent. Okay, let me say pass. Give me pass. So I put comma again, open another one. If bracket and bracket, this cell is greater than or equal to 40, comma, this cell is less than what? 100. Then close the bracket, comma, I need distinction. Okay, close it. S, I put comma. Now anything more than that, I'll get what? Invalid or not valid. So sorry, lazy, not valid. So I close it and then close my bracket. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, the bracket is not complete. All right, I have that error because the bracket ending was more than. I put 4 at the end. Why is it supposed to be 3? Okay, so now I got distinction here because it's what? It's more than 65, right? Okay, so if I put 40 here, sorry, it's supposed to be 40 here. I got pass. I put 30 here, not valid. So I didn't fix that thing very well. I made mistake with the counting. But if I drag this one down, I'll get the accurate result. That counting I didn't do it very well. Okay, here we are. We have fail here because it's 30. Fail. Let's look at what happened there. Okay, if it's greater, all right, 0. Yeah, that is the mistake I made. Less than or equal to 0, or less than, greater than or equal to 0, and then less than 40, it should be what? Fail. So now you understand how to make use of end function in Excel. But remember, you will always use it with another function, such as if function. Sometimes you make use of if function, and function, not function, or function together, combine, but just based on what you are doing. Practice this, and if you have any question to ask, drop it in the comment. Please, if you have not subscribed to the channel, subscribe so that you'll be getting all our videos every Mondays, Wednesday, and Fridays. We'll be dropping tutorials for you to learn. Please subscribe to the channel, click on that notification button and turn it on so that you will get in our updates. Don't forget to like and share with your friends. See you next time.